It's a Seafari beach resort. I have never seen any resort beautiful than this in my entire life. This is the reception area and I am on the cliff. Our luggage is going through the zip lines. This is the resort, probably you can see. This resort has got amazing beauty, guys. I wish I could stay for 2 nights. So guys, we are in a resort now and this is my hotel review. This is the swimming pool of this resort, which has got infinity view, and this is the second swimming pool, which is for the small children. It is also infinity pool, and over there they have got a jacuzzi, so it's on a request and you need to pay for that if you are coming over here and you want to use the jacuzzi. If you are in a group of 4 or 5 people, then yeah, it's okay to pay for this jacuzzi. We have got over here shower as well, and here is a private beach of this resort. You can see this is the nice pristine blue water, and it's a private beach resort, so it's a private beach. It is a private beach of this resort, so there is no one else. You can enjoy over there with your loved one. So we are not here for more time. We wanted to be here for 2 nights, but it's not possible now because we need to move to the Cebu fast, and this resort is on a cliff, so I cannot show you each and entire room or each or entire place, because here there are some sea view rooms, and here behind me there is a restaurant. I mean, this whole area is a restaurant area. There are some restaurant tables, so people are dining over there, and yeah, so I cannot show you the entire resort because it's on a cliff, and I'll show you my room. So first let's get the drone up, guys. Just done with the amazing drone shots. I didn't got many because I don't know why my drone is not going in front, but it's not my drone actually. I borrowed it from my friend, and now I'm going to the other side of the resort where there is a cliff jump. I'm not going to jump right now, but yeah, so to take some pictures with my wife, I'm going over there, and yeah, so we'll be clicking some of the pictures and then we will be checking out from this resort. Yeah.